Hello ladies, I just wanted to give you a quick walk through my back hall in the house. I have here created like chandeliers. One is made of just a paper magazine from scraps and cardboard. It's this first one. And the second one in the back, it's out of plastic bottles that I just kind of cut in strips and glued them to piece of cardboard on the top. So, and I wanted to show you the wall of wreath that I have here. I am not really a specialist in making wreath, but I like to challenge myself with new projects. So as you can see, I hope you will not get too motion sick from different materials. So that one is from the dried flowers and plants. This bottom one is old jeans and some old skirt that I cut into small pieces, and the wreath itself inside is out of hay, and you just kind of push it there inside with a screwdriver or something. So it's pretty much just pushed in there. So if you pull it, it will start all falling off. So I was trying to make some jute wreath. So that was one of my first attempts that I ever made. This is out of how you call it? It's the skin of the plant that I had, which looks like a tree bark, but it's of a very old and big plant that nearly was as big as a tree. I got some sticks or some branches from my parents. They cut off some trees in the back of their garden, and they were going to throw it away, so I liked it and I used that. This is full of different kind of nuts, as you can see, so it's more autumn style. There I have only dried roses. I got them from a colleague. She was saving all of them for a few years, so she gave them all to me, so I tried to make something out of them. I have here like a tree branch window. I have here like a jungle actually of plants because I had to move them from the garden inside since it's getting cold, so they are all in, so it's a little jungle. So there is another jute style wreath. Here is more autumn style with tree branches and leaves and dried hydrangea. I don't know how you pronounce it, sorry, I probably didn't say it correctly at all, but you know probably what plant it is. So one small one made of different kind of seashells and starfish. And this is the last one from big leaves that I a little bit drew on. And let me just add few more. This one is hanging on my kitchen door that is going into a back hall, and that, as you can see, is also made from different type of dried plants, leaves, fruit actually. And that's one of the oldest that I have, and as you can see, the sun already took off all the different colors, so it's getting pretty monochrome, but I still like it. This one I had to climb up on my couch to give you a little bit more closer because it's hanging all the way up at the window. And this one is actually made from purpuri. I had it many years ago and it didn't smell anymore in any good way, and I felt sorry to throw it away. So what I did, I just made like a long string where I put all the pieces of purpuri, and I just used a ribbon to go around it. So I just pretty much wrapped them around a wreath base, which was, I think, made from hay. And these two are the latest ones that I made actually a few weeks ago. They are made of dried plants. As you can see, I got them from my colleague who used them for decoration on her wedding, and she didn't know what to do, so I just took it off her, and this is what I created.